I like to test any new advertising feature whenever Google Ads launches any. And when Google Ads launched the new promotions feature, which lives inside the YouTube Studio, I thought I should test it out. As you can see here, I'm in the YouTube Studio of my channel, and under content, you will see the promotions tab on the top header, and on the right, you will see new promotion. Now, this is a new promotion feature that YouTube or Google Ads has launched inside of YouTube Studio, and I'm testing out this for gaining new subscribers to my channel with just 500 Indian rupees, which is about $6, right? So as you can see, I've already spent 66 rupees, which is about 0.8 cents or something. It's not even $1, but I've already gained 3,443 impressions, 41 views, but most importantly, I've gained 11 subscribers. So in under $1, I've gained 11 subscribers. Let me click on this pencil icon and then show you the details of this. The status of this is still ongoing campaign. It's been only 3 days, but I'm happy with the 11 subscribers at this cost that I've got. And here I'm promoting this video, Facebook page transparency feature, because this video has got me a lot of views for my channel. This is the promotion headline, and then you can see the promotion description where it appears policies, but I'm showing it to audience in India. Now, for now, you cannot add any cities because here it's all about countries. Maybe in future, if cities are opened up, then probably we can add them. Under advanced targeting, we can select the language and the campaign budget, which is 500 Indian rupees, $6, and the end date is September 10th, right? And then you also have the promotion support and Google Ads reporting, right? So this has been doing really well, and I'm going to click on new promotion now. I'm going to show you how this promotion you can set up and see if it really works for you or not for your channel. Now, when I click on new promotion, you will see audience growth. So get new subscriptions and views of additional videos on your channel. This one is just about video views. Now on YouTube and Google Ads interface, you also have the video views, and you also have gain more subscription, right? And then there's also website visits. But since I'm setting up this campaign inside of YouTube Studio, I'm going to stick to get more subscriptions. Click on next, and here you need to select a video from your channel, right? So I'm just going to go with this one. This is the latest video that I've posted, Bravo SMTP feature. You can add the promotion headline and the description, and this is how it shows, right? You have the brand name here, and then you have the brief over here, and then you have this large subscribe button, which is where people will click on, or users will click to subscribe to your channel. You also have the policies over here, so you can go through these Google standard policies. Click on next, and then here you can set the country, right? Whichever country you want. Under advanced targeting, like I showed you, you can select your language, English, let's say. Click on next again, and it's clearly showing me that based on your total budget, which is 3,500 Indian rupees, you'll spend an average of 233 rupee per day until your selected ad ends. And it's also giving me a recommendation to get 300 to 1,100 more views for 3,500, right? So if I change the budget here to, let's say, just 500 rupees, now it's going to ask me or recommend that promotions with a budget of at least 1,750 tend to have better performance. And this is what I wanted to see, because I put a budget of 500 rupees, which I showed you just now, but it's given me 11 subscribers, which I feel is good, right? Probably I will now increase the budget and then test again for a few more days, about a week or 10 days, to see if my subscribers increase. Click on promote, and your campaign will be set up, right? So it says pending over here. So if I take you now to my analytics platform or analytics page, these 3 days, August 30th, August 31st, and September 1st, you will see instead of 11 subscribers, I've gained 31 subscribers. Now these subscribers could have come organically or from somewhere else, but within these 31 subscribers lives the 11 subscribers that I gained from the campaign. I've got 214 views, 3.6 hours of watch time, and because my channel is monetized, it's 35 Indian rupees that I've given. All right, so you are free to test this out and see how it works. If your objective is all about getting more subscribers and grow your channel, then it's good, because the other ways that you can really grow your channel is either by opening up Google simply and then typing in, I want to grow my subscribers. For example, I want to grow my YouTube subscribers, or grow my get more views, and then you will get a lot of these fancy looking websites, but amongst these probably are bots. All right, so if you subscribe or if you sign up for any of those, then maybe you will see views, you will see subscribers, but those could be bots. So I would advise you to not to go with those options, but to grow your channel organically or using the standard YouTube promotions feature or inside of Google Ads. Right, so test this out, guys, with this very small budget, and let me know in the comment section what happened with your promotion and how many subscribers you got at what budget. Thank you, everyone.